Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Today, I made $245 trading the morning session. Here is how. Please sit back and enjoy the stream recap. So it's Monday, and we are kind of getting that nice little, like, several tests up at 12,200 range. Markets are opening up to the upside. About 1% on the NAS, close to 1% on the ES. Decent amount of volume up here. Opening up outside of value area. We'll see if we fill the gaps to the downside or not, but Delta's a little heavy on this push to the upside. Sitting on volume right now at 12,120, magical 20s. ES giving that little VWAP bounce and run so far. NAS kind of holding on to it. So we'll see what happens here in the next 20 seconds, but I'm going to be nice and patient. Nice little push here. ES pushing nicely. We got overnight highs at 909. Got a block to the upside here. And then another one at the highs of the day. Little double bottom, side-by-side wicks here on the ES. Most likely we'll flush through that, I think. The only thing is that we're sitting on VWAP with that, so maybe it won't. But normally whenever we see this side-by-side candles here, stopping at the exact same spot, normally it will fix that and flush through it. Well, right now the price action feels pretty loose and choppy-ish. So just kind of waiting to see what's going on here. It's really a shame that our borderline, sometimes the most volatile part of the day, often I should say, and we haven't done anything. There we go. All it took was me looking away for a couple seconds. New highs on the day on the NAS and on the ES. Already getting slapped back down. I'm going to take the short here. ES got back in the range. NAS pushed the highs, but it's kind of trying to dip back in as well. And since we have been ranging, I'll take the range play. If we like really start crushing new highs here, then I'll get out. So I'm looking for a push back into like volume, into that middle of that range. This looks like it might try and boost out. Down like 5 points right now, 3 points, 6 points, all over the place. There we go. Some new buyers trying to push through. It's a new high on the day by 4 points up to 169. All right, it looks like we actually are going to try and boost out of this. Seemingly, the ES is not really showing much though, which is like my only like major concern here. We're like hanging out at like 15 points down, right into 80. I'm not willing to kill this yet. But it does kind of feel like we're trying to kind of boost out. If the ES will really push us hard, then I'm going to be getting out of this trade. There we go. New buyers coming through as we push into the 80s. 30 points down. So that's the magical 80s right there. Kind of a nice looking topping candle. We can stay below 59. There we go. Getting heavy. It's very, 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 very slightly green on this trade right now. ES floating through VWAP. Oh, nice pump. So we went slight green. Now they're trying to run it back up. It's just like there's not a whole lot going on here. It's like that easy pump stage. Back down 20 points. Top to bottom, 42 to 83. It's a 40-point candle, top to bottom. Trying to potentially close heavy here. We'll see. Make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. There are lots of links down below this video. They're all very important. My Instagram is there. Top Step, etc. Go through those links. Hope you're enjoying your day, your Monday. Hopefully, you're being treated right by the market in some capacity. Let's see. Can we crack that prior low? We just did. ES double bottom. Let's get that double bottom repair on the ES. Send it to VWAP on the NAS. 30. There we go. Double bottom just got flushed on the ES. And on the NAS, we are still pushing to the downside. I'm killing that trade. I just sat for forever in that trade, waiting for it to do something. I'm not going to just like watch it go decently green and then rotate back up into me for me to be red again. So that was a long, very long trade. That was like a 20-minute trade or something. Yeah, 18 minutes and 35 seconds for 245 bucks. And then after we flushed that ES double bottom, and now it's back above VWAP, back into the range. I'm glad I took that off.